Hey folks, Mike Slater with Red Duke Games here. Last year we introduced our branded tea in collaboration with the Ohio Tea Company, and it started like everything else at Red Duke Games usually starts, with a terrible pun. This is the Erlen Grey. We introduced it at the Key City Steampunk Convention in Gettysburg, PA, and it sold out immediately. We did not bring any home. We have been asked several times, what else you got? Well, second variety time unboxing. Ceremonial dagger. Behold, NyarlathoTeap. This is a nettle tea. It is heavy on blackcurrant flavors and elderberry, and it is delicious just like the Erlen Grey. We think you're going to love it. Thanks for watching the unboxing.